making my own personal drive-in movie theater.
Today, we're gonna make some new built-ins.
Is my attempt to making the dopest coffee table.
And with this awesome projector.
Laser 4K projector.
All I have to do is put them together and I'll have the ultimate portable drive-in movie theater. Let's get started.
Let me show you how I built this.
The projector was so light before we added all the steel to it. And now,
Alexa, turn on projector closed.
It's a pretty simple project, but it really does make a pretty big difference in your living room.
This is truly a versatile setup that allows you to set this up just about anywhere.
alrighty, show's over.